Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elisa's Eats, and today we are going to be making something really light and fresh and just great for you because I'm currently studying for exams and I needed some vegetables because I've been eating way too much chocolate. So we're going to be making soba noodle salad. So this is a really quick and really lovely recipe because you have the base sauce and then you can use any vegetables that are in your fridge and that you like. If you don't like one of these vegetables, don't add it. If you like another one, add it in. It's up to you, honey. So these are the ingredients you're going to need, and it's going to be yummy and healthy. So for the vegetables, you're going to need about 1 carrot grated, half a red capsicum thinly sliced, about half a cucumber or so thinly sliced, about 1/4 of a small red cabbage thinly sliced, and some sugar snap peas with the ends chopped off and just cut in half. Now, of course, you can add any other vegetables you want. This is what I had in the fridge. Then we're also going to need 5 spring onions, a handful of coriander. If you don't like coriander, you can use parsley or you can omit it completely. And then about 3/4 to 1 cup of edamame. Now, they come in little pods like this, and you can just boil them for about a minute to cook. Then you just pop them out. Ooh. 250 grams of dried soba noodles. These are buckwheat noodles. You can get them from any Asian shop. And then for your sauce, you're going to need the juice and zest of about 1 large lime. That should be about 2 tablespoons of juice. About 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of neutral flavored oil. So this could be a canola, vegetable oil, or rapeseed oil. About 2.5 tablespoons of roasted sesame oil. 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. I like mine a little bit sweeter, so I'm putting 3. It all depends on taste. Half a tablespoon of cooking sake. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes. A heaped teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and 1 garlic clove crushed. And then some toasted sesame seeds. If you can't buy toasted ones, you can just put them on a pan on a medium-high heat and stir around until they become a nice golden brown color like this. This just helps give it extra flavor.
Woman! Why?
So what we're going to do first is make the dressing for the salad. So I'm going to take my 2 oils and my chili flakes, put them in a small saucepan and heat them for a couple of minutes on a low heat, just to get all the flavors nice and mingling. And then we're going to add the soy sauce, honey, ginger and garlic, and the sake in just while it's still warm so it all incorporates nicely. And then we're going to let it cool. Once your dressing is done, you're going to put it into a small bowl and let it cool slightly. Now we're going to cook the noodles. So in a large sauce pot, you're going to boil some water with a little bit of salt in it. Then you're going to cook your soba noodles according to its instructions. Once they're cooked, we're going to rinse them under cold water. This removes any excess starch and also stops the noodles from cooking more. Okay, so now everything's ready. We're going to basically put it all in the bowl and stir it together. But I like doing it in a specific order. You don't have to follow it, but if you want to, follow me. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to grab my lime and I'm going to zest the outside bit into the bowl. Then add the lime juice. Just before we add everything into the bowl, I'm going to chop up my coriander and I'm going to thinly slice my spring onions at the last minute. If you do it too early, they can turn a little bit slimy. You also want to make sure you have a really sharp knife, because if you crush them with a dull knife, they'll become slimy as well. And then I'm going to put the dressing and mix the noodles around, just to make sure the noodles are all coated with the lovely dressing. Then I'm going to add all my vegetables and edamame, and then to top it off, sesame seeds. Once everything's mixed in, we're just going to add the sesame seeds at the last minute and serve. Now, you can serve this straight away or you can keep it in the fridge for a couple of days. So it's always good to make it the day ahead because the flavors really develop well the longer they're all intertwined. Okay guys, so that's how you make my soba noodle salad. As you can see, it makes quite a bit. It probably serves about 4 as a main or 6 as a side. So if you want a bit of protein in this as well, you can add some chicken, fish, or anything else. We might be making some teriyaki salmon at some point on this channel. It goes amazing with this. So that's a shameless plug for our next video. So pair them together. I'm just really excited because it smells really gorgeous, and so I say we eat. Flavia, get over here. I'm very excited for you to try, because you've never
I'm
had this, have you?
excited. I've never had this.
No, because I've never made it for you.
You've never made it.
No,
for
you're
me.
not worth it. No, you are. No, you're worth
I
everything.
was, I
Okay.
was like panic.
All right, give it a try.
Panic. Panic.
All right.
Oh.
How good are the flavors?
Very fresh.
Mm.
Get that nice zestiness, but it's not too much.
Like the vegetables just have that beautiful crunch. The noodles
I
are
love
just
that.
and the flavors just mingle so well with them.
Oh, they do.
Erin, do you want to try it? We have a little Erin here. She's gonna give it a try. Get her some chopsticks.
Chopsticks for Erin.
Get her a fork.
All right, I'll get the fork.
Get her a fork. Get her a fork. Get her a fork.
Get the woman a fork. I'll get a backup fork.
You got this. Whatever. Bring
You
it to
got
you.
this. You got this.
I
You're
believe.
doing it. You're killing it.
Look.
Look at you
Get it in your
go.
mouth now. Oh.
Yes, you were mostly there.
You tried it. That's what matters.
I loved it.
Do you like it?
I loved it.
Yay! It's quick and healthy, and Erin
Delicious.
approves. That's Erin, by
It's
the way.
Erin approved.
Mhm. Make it, you won't regret it. It's so fresh and yummy, and it just gives you life. Yum. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And please leave us a comment down here. We'd really love to hear back from you. Let us know if you want us to make anything. Ideally fandom. Pew, pew, pew. Finger guns.
Lame.
I don't care.